Hello, happy traders. How are you? I hope you guys are good, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. So, guys, as you can see that we'll have to go on sectoral analysis for today itself only, because on Monday we have or last Friday we have seen a sudden movement in the stock market. Now let's find out the cause. What's the reason for the sudden spike in the market? So when we see into the market, we have seen that the UK Prime Minister has been changed, and there was a loss by Rishi Sunak. So the market suddenly rallied towards upward. Okay, in the last moment of around 3 a.m., 3 p.m., the market suddenly rallied to very high position. So what we can conclude from this thing? Okay, so since the UK market has also rised up, so there was a sudden fall in the currency system. Okay, if the equity stocks goes up, the currency value always goes down. So guys, this is a very important notice for you guys to stay careful that as long as the currency and equity stocks, they are co-interrelated, okay, or I can say they are directly proportional. Okay, not directly, inversely proportional. So if the stock value rises, the currency value goes down. If the currency value goes up, down, stock value rises. So this is something that we should be very careful of. So now let's go back to the bank nifty analysis, guys. We see that the bank nifty has not rised up. Okay, so we still see that it has been moving into the consolidation phase and not much into this market. Now when we look into the fin service, same exactly, it goes same, no comments on to that. And if goes to the nifty mid cap 50, there was a strong rally, we can see expect. Okay, nifty infra strong rally towards upward. And if you go for the energy sector, all stocks are rising up. So guys, is it a good time to buy energy stocks? Yeah, yes, it's a good time. Is it a good time for FMCG too? Yeah, definitely. You see things are rising up. Now, what about the MNCs, multinational companies? Well, multinational companies, they really does not matter because a lot of the things have been changed and a lot of it's quite important. But guys, maximum investments have been made in the MNCs company. So anyway, we'll try to avoid MNCs for the further because nothing much can be said. Pharma sector, the very deep and dark side of the pharma industry is like they have profits, they make profits, but yeah, what about the individual retail person who is indirectly consuming the medicines that are of low quality? So that's a very thing that we should concern of. Even I'm not telling, but there are some good companies, but the governments is not, we can say that. Okay, it's a very careful industry. People will think that the pharma industry is something that's very good. Look, there are so many country pharma industries that the competition is too much. You cannot rely on those industry because producing or manufacturing the drugs and antibiotics are it's very difficult. Okay, sometimes they use the expired chemicals in order to manufacture that. Well, every company has a deep and dark side, but when it's come to pharma sector, you know, it is something that we should be very careful and worried of. Okay, now what about the finance sector? Finance sector is something that we should look on. PSU banks almost 1.5% up. So guys, we'll definitely recommend that go for the PSU banks. Well, that's much for today, guys. I hope you like the analysis for today. Then keep learning, keep sharing, and happy learning, guys. Thank you.